Hello friends
and welcome
to our channel Rose and Rag. I'm Rose.
I am Ragh.
And in our channel we make lots of adventure related, travel related and many exciting videos for you. So today, where have we come, Rag?
We come for this Dovestone Reservoir. It's a wonderful place.
Yeah, absolutely. You've got some amazing, splendid views as well. So hang on, we've got lots to share and lots to talk about as well. So stay tuned.
Yeah, and see this beautiful video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thanks a lot.
Love you all.
Morning guys, how are you? Rose and myself, we just came out to do a little bit of trek, like a little morning jog. So we decided to go, especially on a Saturday, right, in the early morning, and it's 7 o'clock at the moment, and we wanted to show you guys like how beautiful the view is, especially the sunrise. And we have like mountains all the sides, and also we have a little lake here. Just take a look, let us know how this beautiful view is. Yeah. So friends, how are you liking it? We'll show you the tree which we normally cut it for the Christmas, right? Like most of the people would cut these trees for Christmas, and these trees are called fir trees, and these trees you can pretty much see in UK and most of the Europe, I think in US as well. And this is how it looks. So guys, this is how the view looks like, and if you have noticed, most of the people would normally come here for jog and also for the dog walks as well. So this is the best time, right? Like if you wake up early in the morning, no matter what you normally do on Friday nights. Yeah, we all party on Friday nights. I mean, at least most of us with our families and friends, not in the pandemic, but usually we do celebrate some sort of celebration on Friday evening, especially because we are stressed, we will be at work and stuff. And on Saturday, right, early in the morning, if you can wake up and see this beautiful sunrise, and wherever you go, just wake up and have this wonderful view. Look at this amazing view.
Hello.
So Rose, are you liking it?
So beautiful, so peaceful,
Yeah,
and I'm glad we got here on time to capture the sunrise as well.
absolutely.
How many of you among our subscribers or anyone who's watching the video loves these kind of adventures? What kind of places have you been to? Please do share with us in the comment section, because we'd love to explore those places as well. And who knows, maybe we can meet up as well, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So guys, did you see this waterfall? A small waterfall, but this is how it goes. The water comes from the mountain, right? It all is collected, and this is how the lake will form. How beautiful it is. So Rose, did you like this place?
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is like a mini forest area, I guess, and you can see these really long fir trees as well. It reminds me of this Hindi movie Raz. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I've seen that.
It's similar to Ooty setting, I think.
Absolutely.
And so beautiful. In fact, while we were coming to this area, we could see like a thick layer of fog as well, which made those memories even more brighter, I think. Because and as the sun just came up, you could see the fog disappearing as well, and such a beautiful sight. What do you
place.
say?
Yeah. I seriously love this place, especially with the trees and stuff. Look at this. It's looking like a dense forest. In fact.
Yeah.
It is kind of a mini forest, but you would be really scared to come in the night times, especially.
Yeah. Especially if you watched a horror film, which like we did last night. So
last night we watched some. I think it's some Italian film or something.
Yeah. But really good.
Really good.
And this thing is really important. No matter how late you sleep, it's always important to make that time for yourself. If you've got good weather update for the following day, especially if you live in countries like UK and you know that the sun is going to be up the following morning, it's always good to put in that effort, wake up early, get yourself sorted, and try and just spend that time with nature as well. Creating that good mental and emotional balance within yourself, and especially in these tough times as well, I think it really matters, connecting with nature as well. So that's something we would definitely recommend everyone who's watching this video, because it does wonders to your mind and body.
Absolutely. And also, did you observe like most of the joggers came up early in the morning, and also some of the cyclists as well, and they're pretty much maintaining the social distance, so everyone are aware of the social distancing rules, and absolutely no problem at all.
And many pet walkers as well. It's nice to see some healthy, happy pets around as well.
So look at this wonderful view, and let us know how you felt about this place, in our comment section, please.
Absolutely. So we'll just take you around this 360-degree view. You can see these really long trees as well, and and don't worry, the beautiful area around as well. So yeah. So friends, look at what we found around this side. Such a beautiful view. So friends, how was this amazing video? I hope you feel totally rejuvenated and relaxed and all pumped up for your week and next months as well. So please do subscribe to our channel for more such amazing content, and don't forget to
Share, subscribe, and like.
absolutely. So we'll see you guys soon, and take care.
Stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.